How to turn off active on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video I will show you how you can turn off active on Instagram, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to turn off active on Instagram, just go ahead and then open the Instagram app and come to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right. Now tap on your three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen and just go to the option called settings, and once you go to settings, choose the option called privacy, and once you go to privacy, scroll down and choose the option called activity status. Once you go to activity status, in order to turn off active, you can turn off when you're active together, or you can turn off activity status as a whole. When you turn off activity status, the second one is also going to be turned off by default. Now no one else other than you will be able to view your active status. Also keep in mind that when you turn off active status, you'll also not be able to see when other people are actually active on Instagram, so just keep that in mind as well. And that's all it takes to turn off active on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.